Hi, and welcome to Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren Yee, and I have two chefs with me, Chef
Jordan
and Chef
Jojo.
And today we're going to be making air fryer crispy Kentucky Fried Chicken drumsticks. So let's put on our apron and let's get ready to cook. After you take the organic free-range drumsticks out of the package, so I like to pull the skin away from the meat. This way, when you start dredging it and coating it with flour, cornstarch, and panko, all the egg and gooiness is able to get in there, and you'll have more of a crispy skin. Okay, once you've pulled the skin away from the meat, you're gonna add a little olive oil, a couple tablespoons, and a little salt and pepper coat.
And that.
A little bit of salt.
That's a pink salt.
Okay, you're gonna let this set while we mix the dry and wet ingredients. Alright. These are our dry ingredients. So we got half a cup of panko, 1 cup of flour, we have half a cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika.
So we're gonna mix all of those into a Ziploc gallon bag. All right, my two assistants are gonna help me pour the ingredients into the bag. So let's pour these seasonings in. Just dump them in. All right, Jordan has the cornstarch. Okay, tap on it so that we get all of it out. Alright, then who's gonna do the flour?
Me! I'll do that.
Pour the flour in. Thank you, Joe. Jordan's gonna do the panko. Thank you. Alright.
Are we done?
Shake it up a little bit. Make sure all the seasoning is well mixed in the bag here.
Balls in the bowl.
Okay, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce.
Ah! Hot sauce on it.
Yep. And then 2 tablespoons of
Milk.
oat milk. We're just gonna little eyeball this.
Look.
There we go.
I bought that.
We're gonna whisk it together.
Mix it
Make sure
together.
all the ingredients
Is good.
mixed together. We are ready to do the dredging process. So we got our marinated chicken here with olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're going to stick it in the flour bag, and then the egg, and then we're gonna let it rest. Jordan, can you open that up for me? We'll do each piece one at a time. So close it up. This. Shake it. Make sure it's closed or the flour doesn't fly out. Okay. Do the next one. Take it out. Shake off the excess flour. And put it in the egg mixture. Roll it around a couple times. Shake off the excess egg. And put it right here to rest. Next piece, we'll stick it in, close it up, make sure it's closed, and then shake. after it has rested for a couple minutes, I like to put a second coat of the egg in the flour just to make it a little extra crispy. Alright, so we're going to stick this back in. Close it up like this. And then total cook time will be about 15. We'll flip it over at 7. Alright, once the air fryer is preheated, we're gonna stick our chicken into the air fryer. Gonna make sure that they're evenly spaced. So, let's see. I think we can fit all 5 of these in here. Alright, just like that. And then I am gonna just lightly spray them with a little olive oil. Right where the patches of, you can see some of the dried flour mixture. Alright, the chicken is cooked. And then we're gonna flip it over at 10 minutes. Hit the halfway mark, so we're gonna take a look. Oh yeah. That looks good. Nice and crispy. Let's flip these over gently. Make sure the skin doesn't come off. Yeah, I think those are about done. We'll put them out here on the plate.
Ooh, those are cute. I love that.
Alright, the chicken is done. As you can see, the crust is pretty crispy. I added a little parsley for garnish. But as you can see, it's got a crunchy. And the chicken is cooked through. You can see the steam coming off of it. So let's have a taste.
Let's have a taste. Can I have some? Georgia, can I?
It's nice and juicy on the inside. Cooked all the way through. So if you cook it at about 400 degrees, it only takes about maybe 16 minutes. 8 on each side. And I would also add a little olive oil on the bottom because the skin kind of stuck to the basket. But other than that, it's the right amount of seasoning and crunch, and it's very crispy. You can try. How's it, Joe?
Good. I might need a fork. Me too. I need a fork for mine. What's this called? Chicken.
Fried chicken.
Can you get a fork? A fork.
Alright, thanks for watching Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren, and Joe really likes the fried chicken.
Me too.
And Jordan does too. Thumbs up. Another great recipe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye.